get into gear. There we go. Oh, it's a lot of cars. Okay. Right, welcome to another Motovlog. I've been a bit lazy with it recently, to be honest. I uploaded one and recorded a second, but that second one is still being edited because I've sort of just put it off and stuff, and yeah, I honestly haven't had the motivation to do it recently, but it was a nice day. I had my GoPro charged, so I thought I might as well record one today, and yeah, so honestly not doing much, but we are on our way to go and get up or go and get a second number plate, because I've got my MOT. Well, I had my MOT and it failed on plate size and no reflector, so that's always great. So what we're doing today is picking up another one, a full size number plate. Yeah, it's very windy today as well, which you might be able to hear. I don't actually know, you probably can, but it is awfully windy, so I'll probably get blown around and have a top speed of like 40 mile an hour. Good old 125 days, but it's great. I don't like the look of those clouds. That does look a little bit grey, to be honest. I don't have waterproofs on me or anything, so if it gets a bit wet, then I'll have to deal with it, to be honest. That's about it. That's all I can say, to be honest. So, oh god. The UK needs to fix the roads. Oh, it's a bike. Does he have a headlight? Does he have a number plate? He's old. Shit. Okay, so something I want to touch up on quickly, just because I might as well. I've got nothing else to talk about right now. We are going to talk about my next license. So, as you may know, in the UK, when you turn 19, you've got the ability to do your A2 license. And the A2 license basically means you can ride any bike up to 47 horsepower. You can restrict it down to 47 as well, so it can be anything up to 94 horsepower, restricted down to 47. And it gets me off 125s, and you also lose the L plate, which is something I really want to do. I also want a faster bike, because this is awful, especially in the wind right now. I don't know how well you can hear me, but I'm hoping quite well. Anyway, so in May I turn 19 and I get my A2 license, or I can do the test for that, which I've already got booked for the 29th of May. So the test is split up into two sections, so you have mod 1 and mod 2. Basically mod 1 is off-road stuff, so that's U-turns, slalom, slow riding, things like that. Sort of all the things that you need to be in control of a bike moving at slow speed, and also avoidance. So you basically have to do a swerve at 32 mile an hour, I think. I might be wrong about that, but I think it's 32. And then you've got mod 2. So mod 2 is the on-road stuff. So that's basically making sure that you can ride safely on a road. And yeah, oh, that's traffic, isn't it? Should we filter here? I'm gonna be cheeky. Right, you can just gonna do this. I don't know why there's so much traffic. Thank everyone. I'm just gonna squirt past. Thank you. I don't know why there's so much traffic there, to be honest. It's confusing because there is nothing going on here. Traffic is moving freely. Yeah, mod 2, so that's that is literally just yeah, on-road stuff. And then once you've completed both of those sections, you are allowed your A2 license. So that's what I'm doing in well, it'll be in June that I get the license, so that's going to be very good, and I'm looking forward to getting a different bike, but I'm not quite sure yet. I'm gonna keep it a surprise for everyone, and you'll see it when I get one, but obviously you're probably gonna have to wait a couple of months for that. Or if I'm as lazy as I was with the last video, I might have it by the time this video comes out, but I'm gonna try and upload this like in the next week, hopefully, so you shouldn't, but if it gets put on the back again, so then you won't see it. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna stop this because I don't have a huge amount of battery, and I will catch up with you again in a bit, so I'll see you then. Okay, we should be recording again. There we go. Right, well, I've picked up my number plate, and now I'm gonna go for a bit of a blast down the coast road. It's probably still very windy. I'm only wearing jeans, so I'm not going to be going crazy, and I'm not really going to be going fast, but just have a bit of fun, because I haven't been down here in ages. There's scaffolding, okay, that's what caught me off guard a bit there, but yeah, it's been a while since I've been here, to be honest. I haven't lost it. I'm just a bit sketchy because I came off this bike about a week ago. Oh, was it? No, it was almost a week ago, I think. Wait, hold on. So I have yeah, not even a week ago yet. And I came off, but I was being stupid trying to get my knee down. I think that I was doing it right. Other people have said that I wasn't, but there's a technique with this bike to get your knee down. You can't do it like every other bike, so I don't know. It depends, really. So yeah, I came off. It was only like 20-25 mile an hour, so it wasn't crazy, but I scratched a couple bits on my bike, and now I'm just very sketched of leaning over a lot, to be honest. I might as well show the clip, because then you can understand what I'm on about. So roll that. And now you're back, I guess. Like instantly. Because time hasn't changed for me, so. Right. Blast past that. That was like the worst place to park ever. Ah! Cows! Nice. Ah, shit. I know it's mud. I was gonna make a joke because it was like, I thought it was gonna be cow shit or something. Thank you for seeing me, mate. I like it when cars see you. It's very useful. Got a downshift down the hill. And then all of this is fun. That's new. That little square in the middle. It's quite windy as well now, so I'm sort of getting blown from the side, and that's not helping. It's annoying because I end up covering a lot of topics, and I usually can't fit that into like an 8-10 minute video. I try and aim for like, yeah, about 8 to 10, because like you don't really want to be watching for much longer than that. So, if I'm being honest, I'm just going to head this way. clutch hates me. And we're out. I don't know. That is a very bright car behind me. It's a Skoda. What do they call it? City, or a Skoda City Go or something. I don't know. Okay, right. I always the past like 2 motovlogs or whatever. Actually, the other one's ready to post. I just haven't exported it from Premiere Pro. Right. Anyway, so for the past couple, I haven't done an outro or anything, or like acknowledge that the video's ending, because I sort of don't think about it in the moment. I'm like, I just sort of stop the GoPro and then that's the last time it turns on for the day. Usually that's how I do it, is I just like record, stop it, and I don't think about like the entire video or whatever. But today I am going to think about that, because get over, what are you doing? Why are you going like halfway down the middle of the road? You utter. But anyway, as I was saying, yeah, I'm actually going to give it a proper outro for this, after that tractor. So, thank you to anyone watching. I have had some support on the first video, obviously, hopefully on the second one as well, and like the pure sound ones before that. I should do more of those actually, just because, like, to go along with the vlogs or whatever, it's just quite nice to have a mix of things to do across like the channel or whatever. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one too. So have a good one.